All right, little quick encouragement on changing the rear tire on a Suzuki 550. This is my first adventure at it, but just wanted to let you know that you can get the tire off on the center stand. I had to loosen, actually take these off so that the tire could drop even farther. I did crank down on the front tie downs just to kind of lift it up as much as I could onto the center stand. But let's see, because what happens is this guy, the axle, comes out right in the middle of the exhaust pipes on both sides, so you can't get it out now. So the trick is to get the tire low enough so it's underneath the exhaust pipe. So just to encourage you that you don't have to take your exhaust pipes off to do it. Let's see, anything else that I guess after I got the axle out, this lifts up a little bit, the brake caliper, so you can slide out the wheel from that. So anyway, and so now I'm working on I got the seal broken on my wheel here. I actually just took it to, I was over shopping at Walmart and just asked them if they'd break the seal for me, and they did. So I just put it in a little machine and crushed it, so I break the seal out. So that's good. There is a tube in this thing, so I bought a new tube just since I don't know when it was last replaced. So I just thought it was like 16 bucks for a tube. So this is a 130/90 17-inch wheel. And I'll try to give you an update as I go here, but all the parts that I had, there's a spacer that came out, there's the nut that holds the axle on, a couple of nuts from the shock absorbers. This is my mystery one. I don't know if this thing fell out after I took it off or it's from a different bike that was worked on here. But anyway, when I put it back in, I'll pay attention and see if I need it. So anyway, with that, have a great day. I'll probably give you an update later. All right, we're all back together. Just wanted to show you the axle bumps into the exhaust pipe, so that's why kind of the need for taking off the shock and putting it up on the center stand. So here, just an example of how it just won't come off unless you can get that bolt below the exhaust pipe. Just one other comment while you got the wheel off or putting it back on, good time to adjust your chain. So we adjusted the chain while the bolt was loose and got it tightened up a little bit. So anyway, with that, good luck changing that tire. See ya.